I don't know. Virtual members. Why would you ever need a virtual member?
I
Well,
don't know.
yeah. Actually, I don't really use virtual members all that often. I generally will use abstract members or interfaces. So, but I can show you what I would use an abstract member for, and using a virtual member, then show why. Well, let's say we have a graphics card class, and then let's say we have a computer class. Then let's say we have a CPU class, and let's say we have a, I don't know, motherboard
Mother.
class. And a computer class has a graphics card, a CPU, and a motherboard. And I'm going to go ahead and make these properties, because they really should be. And then I'm going to inject them in via the
one.
I don't know why I'm trying to type in that U there. Graphics card, CPU, motherboard.
And again, as obvious as this will be to a lot of you, to those that may still have just a little bit of difficulty with constructors, we're using a constructor inside of computer because if we didn't, and if, let's say, we made our graphics card, CPU, and motherboard all public setters and getters, somebody who instantiates the computer class could forget to give the computer a graphics card, a CPU, or a motherboard. And we all know what happens if we try to build a computer without those components. We don't get a functioning computer.
It turns out like
yeah,
Nelson's.
really. We don't get a functioning computer. By having the constructor require these three things be passed in, you cannot instantiate a computer class into an object without supplying a graphics card, a CPU, and a motherboard. Very important.
Yep. So let's go ahead and create some public virtual void render. And then the CPU will have a public virtual void compute. Do stuff. Motherboard does stuff.